Welcome. I want to make a quick video about how to set up Zoom for your Math 123 online synchronous course. Of course, I have to remember how I did that. So here's one of my classes. Now there will be a Zoom link automatically in the course shell for this course. And you may need to log in at this step. This course I already have. I'm already in it. And it's really easy. Schedule a new meeting, and they make it easy to make it a recurring meeting. Set your days, times for that. So if it's weekly, and then you can even have multiple days where it repeats and set that up really easily. There are some options in here like turning the video on, and Zoom has really great video features. That's one of the good things about Zoom. So you may want to turn those on to keep eye on your students during your course. We don't want to require a password. I would enable join before host so students can go ahead and get in the class and be talking to each other, although probably want to mute them upon entry. I thought I would use the waiting room, but it turns out that if you turn the waiting room on, then students need like your permission to get in. So I would not turn that on, but that's up to you how you want to use those things. So I'm just going to call this generic and save it. And then once you have this meeting, the other thing you need to do is copy this link address and go back to your home page in your 123 course. And we need to fix this Zoom button that's on the home page because it just goes to the generic Zoom website. We want it to go to your session. So just click on the edit, click on the picture, link to URL, update the link, and then make sure that you save. So that should make it so that students can either get there from your Zoom meeting or over here on the left side of the screen. And then what I also like to do is the these synchronous sessions count for attendance points as part of the discussion board. So I will usually go through the extra step of adding that Zoom information and setting a due date for the attendance for all the sessions. That way students see it in there coming up over here on the right, and it makes it just really easy for them to find that. I know that's a little bit overkill. Now, Zoom has some other features, but for whatever reason, you can't reach some of them from this embedded area of the course. I mean, you can see some things like previous meetings, but if you want to kind of check your attendance for Zoom, you're not able to access it on these screens. So to access that, go to the Ivy Tech. Let's see if I can remember what the address was. Zoom. Maybe it was zoom.ivtech. Oh, I had it there. ivtech.zoom.us. Of course. I'm going to go to the generic website that's trying to take my actual course. So ivtech.zoom.us. Okay, if you sign in at this website, you get access to a little more features that's very useful. So what I was looking for was from this website, you can get reports and you can look at usage. And so here's like a session that I did yesterday. I can see that I had 12 participants out of my 14. And then if I click on that, I can see who attended and for how long. So if you're not able to take attendance during class, which can be very awkward if you had a large class, you can get that from the ivtech.zoom.us area. There's two ways to do the recordings. You can either do them to the cloud, which is probably what I'd recommend, or you can do them to your computer. I kind of skipped over the part in the scheduling, or I didn't see it this time, where you can automatically record, but sometimes you have a lot of dead time if you log on early. So up to you how you want to set that up. It's easy enough to record in session. And if you record in the cloud, then after the meetings, Zoom will send you a email that basically says, "Hey, your Zoom audio session, your Zoom recorded session is ready." So I then take these cloud links and I've created a module in my online synchronous Ivy Learn course. I just added it to, let's see, the resources area. But after every session, again, it's an extra step, but I go and post links to the recordings for the students so that they can have access to those. Because I don't think the students have access automatically through here. I mean, the cloud recordings are listed, but I'm not sure that students have the same. So those are just some handy things for you for this semester. If you want some more help, some more training on Zoom, they have lots of information at their website. And you can also reach out to me, Becca Wolf, or to whoever decides to be the course mentor after this summer session. All right, good luck with your classes.